Understanding online qualifiers in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and relevant phrase in our digital age: online qualifiers. This phrase is becoming increasingly common, especially in the context of competitions and events. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Online qualifiers is a compound noun made up of two parts, online and qualifiers. Let's break these down. Online. This word is used to describe activities or processes that occur on the internet. It's the digital counterpart to offline activities that occur in the physical world. Qualifiers. In a competition or event context, qualifiers are preliminary rounds or contests. They determine who will advance to the next stage of the competition. When combined, online qualifiers refer to preliminary rounds of a competition that are conducted over the internet. The phrase, online qualifiers, is often used in the context of various competitions, such as gaming tournaments, sports events, or academic contests. Here are some examples. 1. Esports tournaments. The online qualifiers for the gaming championship will be held next weekend. 2. Academic competitions. Students from different countries participated in the online qualifiers for the International Math Olympiad. 3. Sports events. The marathon's online qualifiers involve submitting your best running times recorded on a fitness app. In each of these examples, the qualifiers are conducted online, allowing wider participation and accessibility. Online qualifiers have gained popularity for several reasons. 1. Accessibility. They allow participants from different locations to join without the need for travel. 2. Convenience. Competitors can participate from the comfort of their own homes. 3. Efficiency. Organizers can manage a large number of participants more easily online. Understanding this phrase helps in comprehending the evolving nature of competitions in the digital era. Thank you for joining us to learn about the phrase, online qualifiers. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you navigate the language of digital competitions more confidently. Remember, English is a living language that evolves with our world, and phrases like online qualifiers are a perfect example of this evolution. Stay curious and keep learning.